Namo Nama, welcome to NCERT. We are learning Maths Mela of Class 3, Chapter 2, Toy Joy. Friends, in the previous video, we used different shapes, objects like cylinder, cube, cuboid, and we created different faces of different animals on those shapes. We also learned to create different objects, buildings using different shapes. We discuss about face, edge and corner of a particular shape, and we saw how Devika created a beautiful toy train or a toy engine using different shapes. Now in this video, let us discuss what shapes are used in these toys. So you can see here are some more toys from the toy shop. They are made up of different shapes. We have to find out what shapes are used in these toys. So here we can see a cone, a cylinder, and using these two shapes a rat is created. Here we can see a sphere, a cylinder. Here we can see a gate is made using a sphere, two cones, a cylinder, right? So there are many different shapes. Here you can see cuboid, cubes. Now Jaya made some houses using different shapes. So you can see a cylinder and a cone on it. There is a cone on the top of a cube. Two cones and one cuboid are used to make a house, and a big house is created using different shapes. So friends, try to build such houses, towers, rockets, etc. using different shapes available around you. And note that a cube is a special type of cuboid. So we can consider a cube as cuboid. Now let us play a game. First, we have to sit in groups of 4 or 5. In each group, one student selects any 3 shapes and put them together. The students that describes the sequence of construction, and the other students have to build the same without seeing the original one. So you can take turns and play the game in the group. So here you can see a cuboid, a cylinder is placed on the top of cuboid, and a cone is placed on the top of cylinder. So you can select one student and ask them to collect 3 shapes and put them together. The other will describe the sequence of construction. For example, the cylinder is on the top of cuboid, the cone is on the top of the cylinder. So this is the sequence, and this boy has created this type of object. Let us do one more activity. Friends, can you find these shapes in the classroom? Fill in the table with their names. So we have 5 shapes: cylinder, sphere, cube, cuboid and cone. And if you find the objects in your classroom, write their names here, which looks like cylinder or sphere, cube, cuboid or cone. Name the shape that you find the most, name the shape that you find the least, and name the objects that are made up of more than one shape. So write down their names here. So friends, in this video again we used some different shapes and created some more objects, animals, buildings, toys, etc. and also found some objects around us which are of these shapes. In the next video again we will continue the discussion of these shapes. Till then, goodbye.